channel. So today I'm going to do a silver purple eyeshadow look for you guys. I already prepped my eyebrows off camera to save me some time, and everything's in front of me, and I'm actually using my natural light, which I've never used before, and it really looks good on camera, and I think I might do this more often because I usually, record at night and I have to use that ring light. Yeah, so I might start doing this, the natural light. It really looks good. So anyway, so if you guys want to stay tuned to watch the rest of this video and see how my makeup comes out, just keep on watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be having a lot of more videos coming out very soon. I'm a new YouTuber, so I don't have much content for you guys as of now because I actually work and do YouTube. But you guys will be seeing a lot more videos. Anyway, so like I said, if you guys want to see the rest of this makeup look, let's watch the end of this video. So right here, I'm actually adding my eye primer to the base of my eye. And then I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to actually cover it so I don't get any eye creases or anything like that. So I'm actually putting a good amount on top. So now I'm going to go with my Urban Decay palette called Electric. I'm actually going to be using the Jilted color, which is like the light purple color, and I'm going to apply that to the corner of my eyes and blend it into my crease section. And I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower than my crease because I'm going to actually blend the colors on my lower end of my crease. So here I'm taking my Box of Clearance eyeshadow palette and I'm going to blend the black into the purple color. So it gives it like a smoky purple color, which I was looking for, and I'm going to blend it into my corners, into my crease. So basically where I applied the light purple, I'm going to apply the dark purple underneath kind of. So I'm just blending that out, and I'm going back in little by little because when you blend the dark colors like that, you don't want to just pack it on right away. You kind of want to build it up. So I'm actually going back in with my eyeshadow primer and I'm placing it back on my lids because I want to cut my crease again due to all the colors on my actual lid. So I'm cutting the crease right here, but I'm not going to cut it all the way, and I'll show you guys in the next clip. So I'm just going in from my tear duct all the way to the end, and I'm just cleaning that up with my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going really slow because once you mess that up, it's kind of hard to fix it. So the reason why I'm taking away this excess purple and the eyeshadow primer is because I want that silver to pop through, and I don't want to have that undercolor of the purple, so I'm wiping it away with some Q-tips. Right here, I'm blending it back out with the black and purple that I mentioned earlier, just to cut that crease again. I don't want that harsh line, so right here I'm just blending it out so it could kind of blend in better. And then I'm going back over the base color, I know, but I'm going back over the base color with more concealer so that silver could pop. So the purpose of me taking it off in the first place is because the purple was, you guys could see the purple in the primer. So I wiped off as much color as I can, and I went back over with the eyeshadow primer, and then I placed the silver on top. So it actually looks better that way. That's why I did it this way. So take your finger and actually blend out the eyeshadow primer and the purple. So kind of like transitions better. If you don't, it's going to have that harsh line in between the two colors. So go back over with my all-time favorite, the Laura Mercier. I'm actually, putting that over the eyeshadow primer so it doesn't have any creases when I apply my silver color. So it's kind of go a little bit heavy on that because you want to make sure your eyeshadow sticks. Magenta is going to be the color I'm using on the ends again. The reason why I chose this color is because it's part of the purple family. So I'm using dark purple, white purple, and light pinkish purple. So I'm actually blending that on the actual lid. I'm not going to follow the So that pink is actually blended right into that purple. You can't even really notice it anymore. And now I'm using the e.l.f. Jet Black color. It's the Jet Black liquid liner. So I'm actually starting out from the middle of my eyelids and then going out. And then I'm going back in and going to my tear duct. So when I do my eyeliners, I like a little wing, but in this video, I actually did a long wing. As you guys can see, I kept on pulling it out. So there's no way for me to fix it, so I just kept on going. But yeah, so this is the liquid liner by e.l.f. in Jet Black. So I'm taking that silver, that really pretty silver color from the Box of Friends eyeshadow palette. Honestly, when I first received it, it was completely broken and I was so mad. But at least I had a few pieces left in it, which I'm using right now. So I'm basically going over the base of my eyelid that was left with the eyeshadow primer. And I'm just cutting my crease with it, make sure it's really sharp. So since it's not a loose eyeshadow, it wasn't going all over my eyeliner. So clean up your crease with the transition color that was on top of it, which was the black and purple. So I took a little bit of that color just to clean up that line.
We're gonna have to go there
to give it a more of a sharp look. And when you do creases, you have to be really slow and be really careful, because once you mess it up, you mess up the whole eyelid. So take a wet wipe or a wet paper towel, clean up that area, and go back over with some concealer just to sharpen that, that crease, not crease, but that eyeliner you made, and just give it a look, because you don't want to mix in with the concealer and the eyeshadow. Now I'm actually applying my favorite, not really my favorite, one of my favorites. I have a brain fart. It's eyelashes. So I'm applying my eyelashes right now. I'm only going to do one on camera because it just takes too long. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I don't know what the rest of it says, but yeah, I'm actually going in to combine my fake eyelashes to my real eyelashes. And this mascara is bomb. I love it so much. This is one of my staples. I always use it. So take the Jilted color from the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm smoking that out with that color underneath the eyelids, just to give it a smoky look. And I'm bringing that towards the eyeliner, give it that cute little smoky look, because I do have dark colors with black. Now that my eyes are finished and completed, I'm using the Maybelline mascara for my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier foundation primer. Protect actually has SPF 30 sunscreen. It's really good. It's silky. I love it. It's really moisturizing. It's not drying at all. I actually prefer this over my other primer. That's why I'm actually using this instead. Now I'm using the Bobbi Brown in the color Warm Almond 6.5. This is Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in SPF 15. One of my favorite foundations that I use. Now I'm going in with the Pro Concealer. I'm actually using the warm beige color. I'm applying that to any dark areas I want to cover up, like my under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my chin, between my eyebrows, and a little bit around my nose. Now I'm using my Beauty Blender, and yeah, I'm just blending that out as much as possible. I kind of like to bring out the concealer on my eyes all kind of towards my ears. It gives it a better look. The most important part of applying concealer is applying your translucent powder right after. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder once again, and I'm applying that all under my eyelids, not heavy, but like really light, and I'm trying to avoid any creases throughout the day. Everyone loves Morphe. Why I always say Murphy? It's Morphe. Anyway, so I'm applying this to my hairline, my cheeks, my nose. I really like it on my nose, give it that chill look. Now I'm taking my contouring brush from e.l.f. and I'm just blending out all the areas that need to be blended, like my cheeks, my hairline, and my nose. Like my nose is really important, so blend that out so you can see the harsh lines. So this is a new product I'm using by Wet n Wild to Reflect Shimmer Palette. This is like a bronzer. I decided to pick got from CVS, and I'm just blending that out. Now I'm using my Wet n Wild Color Con blush in Pearlescent Pink 325B. Now I'm going in with my highlighter by Fenty Beauty, the Trophy Wife. I'm blending it out on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and everything like that. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia lipstick. It's called Dusty Mauve. I'm lining that out with the Perfect Precision lip liner by Ruby Kisses. It gives the lipstick a better look. Now I'm going in with my lip gloss from Urban Decay. It's Hi-Fi Shine. I think the color is Candy Flip. It's like a unicorn color. It's like really purpley and glittery, and it's really cute. So I'm just applying a little bit inside of my lips, not the whole thing, but only on top of the lips, like inside. My all-time favorite MAC Fix Plus. This is my setting spray I always use. I haven't changed this in 3 years. If you guys know any new ones, comment down below if you guys want to try it out. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, my smoky purple silver eye look. I love it. Thanks guys for watching this video, and thanks for watching till the end. Just a little disclaimer, my previous video, which was like a teal green look, do not follow any directions in that video at all. I did horrible. I was in a rush. I only had 2 hours to do it. I had to take a shower, do my makeup, do my hair, which I didn't end up doing. I had to get dressed, find something to wear. I was just rushing through that video. I'm going to keep it posted because I'm not embarrassed of it. It's a learning process and you learn from certain things. But just this video is actually to let you guys know I know how to do makeup. But that video was horrible. But yeah, this is, I put on like a mauve. I think it's called Mauve or Mauve. Dusty Mauve from Anastasia. I felt like it complemented my eyes really good. Guys, thank you for watching the rest of this video. I'm losing my sunlight, so as you can see, my blinds are like on my face right now. If you guys have any more suggestions or any new videos you guys want me to do, just comment down below. Comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.
Shouldn't have drove. Tell me how I'm getting home.